how to get Xray on Minecraft PS5 or PS4 or Xbox. In this video, I'll show you how to get Xray on Minecraft PS5, PS4, or Xbox. So to get started, go ahead and start with piston plus slug glitch. So what it does, it lets you see underground caves and ores. So how do you do it? Go ahead and dig a one black hole, place a slab at the bottom and stand in the hole and place a piston facing down above your head. Activate the piston with a lever or redstone torch and your camera will clip into the slab, revealing underground structures. Another thing you can do would be night vision plus spectator-like view. Drink a night vision potion and use third-person view while standing near transparent blocks like leaves, glass, or water. This won't show ores but can help spot caves and mine shafts. And lastly would be texture packs. So this is not available on console, only on PC. Players use custom Xray texture packs. And on PS5, PS4, or Xbox, these are not supported due to platform restrictions. And that is how you can basically get Xray on Minecraft, PS5, or PS4, or Xbox.